Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an Audi A7 boot spoiler system repair fault. We'll start by identifying common issues and then move into basic diagnostic steps. You'll learn about the tools you might need and discover simple fixes for minor problems. This guide aims to make the repair process straightforward and easy to follow, helping you get your spoiler working correctly again. To diagnose your spoiler issue, first use a diagnostic scanner to check for any error codes, which can point you in the right direction. Next, inspect the spoiler motor itself to ensure it's receiving power and functioning correctly. Carefully examine the wiring harnesses for any signs of damage or corrosion. Finally, confirm the spoiler control module is operating as expected. Once you've identified the problem, you can begin repairs. If the motor is faulty, replace it with a new one. Securely repair any damaged wiring connections to ensure proper electrical flow. It's also a good idea to clean and lubricate all moving parts of the spoiler mechanism. After completing your repairs, remember to reset the spoiler system to clear any lingering fault codes. After your repair, it's crucial to test the spoiler thoroughly. Drive at various speeds to ensure it deploys and retracts correctly. Always confirm the spoiler retracts completely into its housing. For ongoing maintenance, perform regular visual inspections of all components. Keeping the spoiler mechanism free of dirt and debris will help prevent future faults and ensure smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.